Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you my Hershey's chocolate dispenser project. So guys, this is Hershey dispenser V1. So you can see at the bottom the first piece of Hershey's chocolate is nudged out a little bit. So what you do is you take your finger, press down on the end, and push it out. And as you can see, once you do it, all the other chocolates come down after that. So I'll show you how it works. So first I gotta dump this out. So in the back, you can sort of see there is an angle where the bottom of it right here and the back wall meet. There's a small angle, and what that does is as a piece of Hershey's chocolate is falling down the channel, it pushes it out. And so that's how Hershey dispenser V1 works. So guys, this is Hershey dispenser V2. Some was joking around about how they wanted V2 when it launches chocolate. And I took that pretty seriously. So I made it launch chocolate. I'll show you the clip. Isn't that amazing how it launches so well? So, how it works is, in the back, there's a little spring. And then you can see there's a little knob. What happens is, when you pull it back, the spring compresses. And when you let go, it rockets forward. And the nub stops it from going past. And the slider looks like this. It goes up and down the channel. It's like right here. So then it launches forward. And the similar hopper system, when it rockets forward. So I'll pull it back, and you may be able to see one fall down, and then it launches. And sometimes, but not on all of them, it opens up a little bit because I've been circulating these through it over and over again. And so the reason I had to put them upside down is because on some of them, they're little pieces of paper that like flap up. So it would get jammed between the little plunger and what I call the bridge, which is right here. And it'd get stuck in there. And it would just jam up. And I realized, hey, why don't you just put it upside down? Then it will never jam. So guys, that is the end for this video about my Hershey launcher and dispenser project. I am not selling them. But please like and subscribe for more videos. And as always, bye-bye.